1994 Phaser 2 ST. Just picked it up for free from my brother. It's been sitting for a long time. And pretty nice though. Only has 3,300 kilometers on it. It's in pretty good shape. Runs like a piece of garbage though. I'll try to start it here. She does not like to start. Put this down for 2 seconds. She starts, but she doesn't idle. She'll die instantly if I take it off half choke. So first things first, carbs. Clean out a bunch of garbage in there. But it starts. That's a good sign. Little smoky. Yeah, well, when I get it all up and going, we'll see what it looks like.